myself Janvi Talwar. Today I am going to share my views on my journey from SCC to PAU. So, if you have completed your schooling and you are searching for best coaching institute for preparation of various entrances like PPMET, JEE, NEET and CETs of various universities and especially PAU CET, then what are you waiting for? Hurry up and join the best coaching center to crack these entrances. I also took admission in SCC in the month of June to crack PAU CET, and now luckily I am a student of a PAU. I took admission in my desired course, and the teachers of the SCC are really very hardworking. They provided us a very useful study material, and they provide us a online coaching with a lots of MCQs and with a lots of mock tests. The mock test and the SCC tips were very useful for all of us, and they also conducted our weekly test on every Mondays. The teachers are very helpful that we can easily ask our doubts from them on WhatsApp without any hesitation. They not only taught us, but after the examination, they took a session in which they guided us about the courses and their scopes in future. And Sunny sir also helped us during the counselings. So, in short, I can say that I took a great decision after joining Sunny coaching classes, and my parents are also very satisfied with the results. Thank you.